Want to add some ambience to your home with smart lighting? This tutorial will guide you through the steps to set up a smart light strip, allowing you to control your lighting through an app or voice assistant. Unbox your smart light strip. Carefully remove all components from the box. Most kits will include the light strip, a power adapter, and sometimes a controller or remote. Inspect the components to ensure everything is intact. Plan your installation. Choose the location where you want to install the light strip. Common areas include under cabinets, behind TVs, or around the perimeter of a room. Measure the length of the surface to ensure your light strip will fit. If needed, trim the strip at the designated cut points. Prepare the surface. Clean the surface where you plan to apply the light strip. Use a dry cloth to remove dust, oil, or debris to ensure the adhesive sticks well. Apply the light strip. Peel off the protective backing from the adhesive side of the light strip. Carefully press the strip onto the desired surface, making sure it's aligned straight. Press firmly along the strip to secure it. Connect the power. Plug the light strip into the power adapter. If there's a controller, connect it between the strip and the adapter. Plug the adapter into an outlet, and turn on the power. The lights should illuminate. Download and install the app. Download the manufacturer's app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in or create an account if required. Follow the in-app instructions to pair the light strip with your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your phone is connected to the same network. Customize your settings. Once connected, explore the app's features. You can adjust brightness, change colors, set timers, and create lighting schedules. Some apps allow for dynamic effects, like color transitions or syncing lights to music. Integrate with a voice assistant. If compatible, link the light strip with a voice assistant like Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple Siri. This allows you to control the lights using voice commands. Open the Voice Assistant app, search for the Smart Light Strip in the Skills or Devices section, and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Test your setup. Try out different commands and settings to ensure everything is working as expected. Adjust the positioning of the strip if necessary, and experiment with different lighting scenes to enhance your space. You've successfully set up your smart light strip. Now, enjoy the convenience of controlling your lighting with just a tap or a voice command. Experiment with different settings to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Check my links below. Consider subscribing to CyberTheo.